Yeah, good evening, children. Good evening, Daniel.
Good evening, ma'am.
Evening. Shared my, oh no, I haven't shared my screen. 1 second. Yeah, Daniel, now I've shared my screen. Visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. No? Okay. I'll come back. I just started with this one. Thank you. Okay. So here we have an equation and we need to find the value of x. So we have understood how to solve for x using two methods. All right, so we'll do the first one now. Write out the given equation. All right. Now, how many terms on the left-hand side? 2 terms. And on the right-hand side? 1 term. So in all, there are 3 terms. What are their denominators? 5, 4, and 7. So we'll find the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 4, 5, and 7 is 4, 5, and 7. No. It's 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. 140 is 140. All right. 35 into 4, 140. Now, what are we supposed to do? Multiply every term by 140. So it will be 140 into the first term, 2x minus 3 by 5, plus 140 into the second term, x plus 3 by 4, is equal to 140 into 4x plus 1 by 7. Right? Yeah. Now, 5 ones are 5. See, just take away 5 from here. So 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28. So it will be 528 times. See 5, right? You're dividing 140 by 5, right? So take away 5 from here. So 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28. So 5 will be 5 into 28 is 140. Now 4 ones are, so 4 ones are 4. So take away 2 into 2, 4. So it'll be 7 into 5, 35. So it'll be 435 times. 4 ones are 4. And 435 times 140. 7 ones are, yeah, 720 times. Also from here, so take away 7, multiply these factors, 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. So 7 ones are 720 times. So now we have 28 into 2x minus 3 plus 35 into x plus 3 is equal to 20 into 4x plus 1. All right. I'll just repeat the step on the next slide. 28 into 2x minus 3. 28 into 2x minus 3 plus 35x plus 3. Yeah. Now we need to open up the brackets. So 28 into 2x. 28 into 2, 56x. 28 into minus 3. See, it's like plus 28 into minus 3. What's the sign before 28? We don't see any sign before 28. Yes. That means it's plus. So it's plus 28 and minus 3. So plus into minus, minus, and 28 into 3. 8 3 is 24, 2 carried over, 84. 84. Next, plus 35 into x. X, what is the sign before x? Within the bracket. See, this is the x. No, so here there's a plus sign. There's no sign. That means it's plus. So it's plus x and plus 35. You'll have to multiply these two. Plus into plus, plus. 35 into x, 35x. Then plus 35 into plus 3. Plus 35 into plus 3. Plus into plus, plus. 35 into 3, 105 is equal to 20 into 4x. 80 x. Then 20 into 1. Plus into plus, plus. 20 into 1, 20. Now simplify the like terms on the left hand side. 56x plus 35x. 56x plus 35x. So x will come down as it is. 6 plus 5, 11, 1 carried over, 9. 91x. 91x minus 84 plus 105. Minus plus 105 minus 84. Different signs. Subtract. And put the sign with the greater number. Plus 21. Plus 21 is equal to 80x and 20 cannot be simplified further because they're not like terms. They're unlike terms. So you cannot simplify them further, right? Okay. Now, on the left-hand side, we have two terms, one x term and one constant. And on the right-hand side also, we have one x term and one constant. We are solving for x, which means we need to have all x terms on one side and the numbers on the other side. Okay, so 91x. So you'll have to transpose 80x. 80x comes to the other side as minus 80x is equal to 20 is already there on the right hand side. So it remains there. This plus 21 from the left hand side travels to the right hand side as minus 20. So this is coming here to the right hand side. Plus 80x becomes minus 80x. Plus 21 becomes minus 21. Now 91x minus 80x is 11x. The value of x is 1 by 11. All right. Oh, yeah, sorry. 20 minus 21 is minus 1. Minus 1 by 11. Yeah, correct. All right, got it? Yeah, please take down. Now please come in. You're done? First answer you take down from them later, okay?
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah. Next slide. Just a minute. All right. Next one. Completed? Not, yeah.
Completed, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Next one. Okay, so first, now here we don't have denominators, so no LCM. LCM is only when we have denominators. So no LCM here, but we have to open up the brackets. We have to get rid of the brackets by multiplying. Okay, so 6 into 3x. What is it? 18x. 6 into 2, 12. And 6 is positive. It's plus 6 and it's plus 2. So plus into plus plus, 6 into 2, 12. Then we have to multiply minus 5 and plus 6x. Minus 5 and plus 6x. Minus into plus minus. 5, 6 are 30x. Next, we need to multiply minus 5 and minus 1. Minus 5 into minus 1. We are multiplying. Not minus 5, minus 1, minus 6. No, we are not adding or subtracting. We are multiplying. To remove the brackets, we have to multiply. So it's minus 5 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus 5 into 1, 5 is equal to 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into minus 8 plus 3 into minus 8 plus into minus minus 3 8s are 24. Minus 5 into plus 7x. Minus 5 into plus 7x. Minus into plus minus 7 5s are 35x. Minus 5 into minus 6. Minus into minus plus 6 5s are 30. Now you can see that this plus 9x is outside the bracket. So you should not multiply minus 5 with 9x. You must multiply minus 5 with every term inside the bracket. That's all. You need to multiply minus 5 with every term inside the bracket. Where is 9x? It's outside the bracket. So that plus 9x will just come as it is. That will come as it is. You should not multiply minus 5 and plus 9x. What are the terms in the bracket? 7x and minus 6. Only these two terms should be multiplied with minus 5. This plus 9x, which is outside the bracket, will just come down as it is. Now we open the brackets. We need to simplify the x terms and the constants on the LHS, the x terms and the constants on the RHS. Okay, look at the LHS. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, of which we have 2 x terms and 2 constants. So we'll simplify the like terms. We'll simplify the x terms and then the constants. 18x, now it is addition or subtraction. Now we are not multiplying. Once we remove the brackets, it's addition or subtraction according to the signs. If the two numbers have the same signs, we'll add and put the same sign. Different signs will subtract. Now it's not multiplication. It's addition or subtraction. Minus 18x plus plus 18x minus 30x. Different signs. See, 18x, the sign for 18x is not this one, not this one. What is before 18x? This one. There's nothing. That means it's plus. Sorry. So it's that's plus 18x minus 30x. Different signs. Subtract. 18 and 30, when you subtract 30, 18, you get 12. And put the sign of the greater number. So what is it? I'll teach till 7. We'll be working different types of questions. Then similar question. Now, supposing I do about, like including these two, if I do a total of 7 sums. So similar 7 questions, you'll be trying all by yourself for the rest of the class without help. So if you have any questions, please ask me. Then the 45 minutes you can spend very usefully. Yeah, practicing. So plus 18x minus 30x, different signs, subtract, and put the sign of the greater number, minus. Then plus 12 plus 5. What is it? Plus 70. Here we have 3 x terms. We have 3 x terms. So we have 3x plus 3x, and we have plus 9x and minus 35x. Okay, no. So what do we do with 9x and 3x? Add, no? Add. 9 plus 3, 12. 9 plus 3, 12, 12x. So it will be now minus 35x plus 12x. Correct? So different signs. Different signs. Subtract and put the sign of the greater number. So it will be minus 23x. Now we need to do this one and this one. Minus 24 plus 30. Plus 6. So now we have simplified the LHS and the RHS. Now we have 2 terms on the left hand side, 2 terms on the right hand side. We have 1 x term and 1 constant here, 1 x term and 1 constant here. So now you need to have all the x terms on the left hand side, the constants on the right hand side. So we'll have to transpose. In the earlier step, we did not transpose. As it is on the LHS, whatever x terms and constants we had, we simplified. Similarly, on the RHS, whatever x terms and constants we had, we simplified. We did not transpose. Now we have to transpose. So this minus 12x, where is it? Yeah. Yeah, you will get the same answer. So minus 12x, correct? Now this minus 23x to the left hand side, plus 23x is equal to, where is 6? On the right hand side. It's there only. Don't think 6 inga irukku, na ipo inga can transpose pannirken. No. Where is 6? On the RHS. Where is it here? On the RHS. So you have not transposed. You've not transposed. It's on the same side. Now who's going to come to this side? Plus 17. To the other side as minus 17. Now different signs. Subtract. 23 and 12. If you subtract, you'll get 11. And put the sign of the greater number. Plus is equal to 6 minus 17. Minus 11. X is equal to minus 7 by 11. X is equal to minus 1. Okay? Yeah, right on. Danya, any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. All of you work carefully. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Completed writing?
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Okay. So here, what do you see on the left-hand side? We have only one term, 2m plus 5 by 3. Now, there's only one term, and you cannot simplify that any further, right? The left-hand side is completely simplified because there's only one term. There's no scope for taking LCM or whatever. On the right hand side also, 3m minus 10. What can you do with it further? And so when you have a situation like this, where the left hand side and right hand side, they're completely simplified. You cannot do anything with the LHS alone. With the LHS alone, you cannot do anything. Or with the RHS alone, you cannot do anything. Meaning further simplification is not possible. At this stage, what you can do is cross multiply. Cross multiply. So cross multiplication can be done only when you cannot do anything with the LHS alone or the RHS alone, because they're already simplified. Yeah. Then you have to only transpose. Then you have to only transpose. Like what we did here. Here. All right. So now, next step, write 2m plus 5 as it is equal to multiply 3 into 3m minus 10. This is cross multiplication. 3 into 3m minus 10. Now, supposing you have x by 3 is equal to 4x by 7. Look at the left hand side, x by 3. Nothing further can be done. Right hand side, 4x by 7. Nothing can be done. So here you can cross multiply. So how do we do that? Multiplying like this. Okay. So we say 3 into 4x. 3 into 4x is equal to x into 7 or 7 into x, because we know multiplication is commutative. So any order. So 7 into x or x into 7. 7 into x. So what do you get here? 3 4s are 12. 12x is equal to 7x. Now 7x comes to the left hand side. So 12x minus 7x is equal to 0. There's nothing there, no? On the right hand side, there's nothing, which means it's 0. It's not 1. When do you get 1? Like when you have, say, 5 by 5. When you cancel, then it is 1. Here it is 0 because there is no term there. No term, there's nothing there. That means 0. If you write 1, it becomes 1. It's 1. There's nothing. When 7x comes to the left hand side, there is nothing on the right hand side. So 0. 5x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 by 5, which is 0. So the value of x is 0. So this is cross multiply. Yeah. Yeah. So now answer this step. Okay. So 2m plus 5 is equal to 3 into 3m, 9m. So now it is plus 3 into minus 10, correct? 3 is plus 3 always. Not always. So like there's no sign, so it's plus 3. So plus 3 into minus 10. Plus into minus minus. 3 10s are 30. Now LHS is 2m plus 5. You cannot simplify. RHS is 9m minus 30. No, can't simplify. So transpose. 9m comes to the LHS. Who's already there? 2m is already there on the left hand side. 9m comes to the left hand side from RHS. So minus 9m is equal to, on the right hand side, we already have minus 30 there. Minus 30 is already there. Who comes? Plus 5 as minus 5. This is correct? Okay. Minus 7m is equal to minus 35. Because plus 2m minus 9m, different signs. Subtract. 9 and 2, if you subtract 7. And put the sign of the greater number. So m is equal to, you can cancel the minus on both sides. You can do anything, but the same thing on both the sides. If you add 5 to one side, add 5 to the other side. Now, there was the first question where we did it by multiplying all the terms by 140 or something. Yeah, so yeah, do the same thing on both the sides. So there we multiplied every term by 140. The same way, you're cancelling the minus sign on the left hand side and the right hand side. Okay. So m is equal to 35 by 7. M is equal to 5. All right? I don't. Just 1 second. Yeah.
Is there another way of doing this one? When we are doing, if 5 by 2 is there and is equal to they have given, and 2 plus 3 they have given, we will take the like denominator if there's nothing, we take it as 1 right now and take the LCM and multiply. Can we do the same here also?
Cross multiplying, huh?
Like,
Oh, that LCM method. Oh, yeah, you can. We'll do it now. LCM, right? Yeah, we can do. We'll do it now. Yeah. No. The sign for minus 30. You should take the. Now there are two numbers, no? For 30, it is minus. For 9m, it is plus. No. No. If you're taking this 30 to the other side, then minus 30 will become plus 30. When you're taking 9m to the other side, yeah, 9m is plus. For every number or term, the sign is what is before it, not after it. So 9m is plus 9m. So it will become minus 9m. And here it is plus 5. So it will come to the other side as minus 4. Not like that, you're saying. Like that or not like that? Okay, then. Hmm.
1 plus 5 is there. Like we take the denominator as 5 if it does not have any denominator, we'll take it as 1 right now. And then we'll take the LCM and then make the denominator 2. Like that, can we do here now? Like the denominator there is 3. So here, can we take the denominator as 1 and then like multiply it about terms 3?
No, for that, the two terms should be on the same side. No, to take LCM, the terms must be on the same side, no? Yeah. That first method we can do. This LCM, taking LCM in the regular method, that the terms have to be on the same side. Completed? So you can also work it like this. Okay, so we have 2m plus 5 by 3 is equal to 3m minus 1, sorry, minus 10 by 1, right? So what is the LCM of the denominators? LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. So multiply all the terms by the LCM 3. So it will be 3 into 2m plus 5 by 3 is equal to 3 into 3m minus 1 by 10. Correct? Or not 10, 1. Correct? Huh? Oh, it's 10 on the, here it is 10. See? Now outside? Now what happens? Cancels. So what do we have? 2m plus 5 is equal to 3 into 3m minus 10. So the steps here. Same steps. Same, see, we got this 2m plus 5 is equal to 3 into 3m minus 10. Then you should proceed in the same way. All right. So now outside this bracket, what do we have? 2. Outside this bracket, we have 2. So it's 2 into x plus 2, right? It's 2 into x plus 2. Now, see here, there can be two cases. Outside the bracket, there can be a number and then the sign plus or minus. Or sometimes outside the bracket, there'll be a number, sign straight away, a plus sign or a minus sign. You should go, so the contents or the terms in the bracket should be multiplied. In this case, with the sign and the number. In this case, only with the sign. Now, supposing there's a number 2 before it, this bracket will not be multiplied with 2. See, these are the two cases where we should not get confused. See here. This is a case where you have something inside the bracket and a minus 2 here. We have 2 and a minus here in this. Okay. So in this case, you need to multiply all the terms in the bracket with the minus 2. That is, you should go till the sign. Outside the bracket, you just come outside the bracket and go till the sign. Where's the sign here? No. So all that you should multiply. Minus 2 into all the terms in the bracket. Here, when you come out of the bracket, when you just come out of the bracket, what do you encounter first? You see the minus sign. No, stop there. You should come out till you encounter a sign, a plus sign or a minus sign. You should multiply only that with the terms inside the bracket. You just look outside the bracket. It's like you're just peeping outside the bracket. When you peep, you see a number and then you see the sign before it. When you peep outside the bracket, if you immediately find a number, then look for the sign before the number. So multiply. So when you peep out of this bracket, you see this number and then it's a sign minus. So you should multiply minus 2 with all the terms in the bracket. Here, when you peep out of the bracket, you see the sign. No, stop. When you see the sign, you stop there. Don't see beyond. Don't see beyond that. Beyond that, there will be something, but you don't see. You only want a sign. So if you have a number, then you just go beyond and see the sign. So here you should multiply the terms with minus 2. Here you should multiply the terms only with the minus, not with 2. I'll repeat that. So these two cases are different. This is minus 2 into whatever is in the bracket. This is 2 minus the contents in the bracket. So here you'll have to multiply all the terms or the contents of the bracket with, when you peep out, you want a sign, okay? But you immediately see a number. And then before that, there's a sign. So consider till that sign. Consider till that sign. So what do you have to, till this minus sign, you'll have to consider. So what do you have? Minus 2. So you need to multiply minus 2 with everything here. Here, when you look out of the bracket, You already found the sign. You want a sign. You already found it. Stop there. Don't look beyond. You're looking for a sign. No, you got it. It's right, like after the bracket. So stop there, minus. So you should multiply the contents of this bracket only with the minus sign. Only with the minus sign. That's a difference. So we'll apply this here. Bracket. So you're looking out of the bracket. There is no plus or minus sign here. So you jump here. Yeah, there's 2, but you want a sign. So then you jump here, plus 2. So you'll have to multiply. You'll have to multiply. So you'll have to multiply plus 2 with the terms inside the bracket. But here, when you look outside the bracket, you got your sign, minus is there. So you need to multiply the contents of this bracket only with the minus sign, not with 20. Okay, so we'll start. So here, this 3x will come as it is. Let me write the equation again. 3x plus 2 into x plus 2 is equal to 20 minus 2x minus 5. This is what is given. This 3x will come down as it is. Now we understood that we'll have to multiply plus 2 with the terms in the bracket. So it is plus 2 into x and then plus 2 into plus 2. Correct? So plus 2 into x. What's a sign? What is the sign that x carries? What is the sign before x, not after, before x? Inside the bracket. Inside the bracket, before x is a plus. There is no sign. So it's plus. So it is plus 2 into plus x. It's plus 2 into plus x. Plus into plus plus. 2 into x, 2x. So plus 2x is the answer. Then you should multiply. Multiply this plus 2 with plus 2. Plus into plus plus. 2 to the 4. Is equal to, this 20 comes down as it is. Now, the contents of this bracket should be multiplied with the minus sign. See, that means there's minus 1. Like here it is plus 2, no? Here it's minus 1. You don't see the 1, that's all. You're multiplying by 1. All right? So now, minus into plus 2x. See, there's a plus here. So minus into plus 2x. So you'll be like, what is this? Minus into plus. So it's minus 1. If there's no number, it is 1 there. Okay. So minus into plus 2x. So minus into plus minus 2x. I told you, no, minus means minus 1. Then next we need to multiply. We need to multiply this minus sign and minus 5. Minus and minus 5. So minus into minus 5. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus and 5. If it is confusing, you should treat this minus as minus 1. That's all. This one is minus 1. So you're actually multiplying minus 1 into 2x and minus 1 into minus 5. Minus 1 into 2x, minus 1 into minus 5. Which is minus 2x and plus 5. Okay. Now let's first, before we transpose, we'll simplify all the terms on the left-hand side, if possible. So on the left-hand side, we have 3x and 2x, like terms. 3x plus 2x. How much? 5x. Plus 4 as it is. 5x plus 4 is not 9x. 5x plus 4 is not 9x. They're unlike terms. They're not like terms, they're unlike terms. Is equal to here 20 plus 5, 25. 25 minus 2x. Or you can write minus 2x first and then 25. You can write this minus 2x first and then 20 plus 5 is 25 plus 25. Now transpose. 5x as it is. Who travels minus 2x from here to the left hand side plus 2x is equal to, write this 25 as it is, plus 4 on the other side minus 2. So 7x is equal to 21. X is equal to 21 by 7. X is equal to 3. All right? I don't. Completed? All of you?
Completed, ma'am.
Okay. Deepthi, I think you were late by 20 minutes, right?
No, ma'am.
No, darling, I didn't see you. No, till we finished the second one, I didn't see you.
Ma'am, I joined 10 minutes after.
Okay. Any questions, Deepthi?
No, ma'am. At school, we already finished the chapter, so I understand it.
Okay. Next one. Okay. So here we have 3 by 4. Please disable your mic, Deepthi.
Sorry, ma'am.
That is the equation again. Now here what we can do is, what is 3 by 4 into 7x minus 1? You can also write it as 3 into 7x minus 1 by 4. 3 into 7x minus 1 by 4. Now open the bracket here. So it will be minus into 2x, minus 2x. Minus into minus plus 1 minus x by 2 is equal to x plus 3 by 2. We have just opened the bracket, nothing else. See here what we've done is 3 by 4 into 7x minus 1 is multiply the numerators 3 into 7x minus 1, which can be written like this 3 open and close bracket 7x minus 1. See, like if you have a by b into c, you can write it as ac by b. AC by b because c is c by 1. So a into c is ac and b into 1 is b. Similarly here 3 into 7x minus 1 can be written like this 3 into 7x minus 1 and it's like 4 into 1 denominator is 1 4 into 1 4. And here we've opened the bracket minus 2x minus into minus plus 1 minus x by 2. The term will come as it is minus into minus plus. We have to multiply this one with the minus sign. We have to multiply this with the minus sign outside. So minus into 2x is minus 2x. And then you need to multiply this one with the minus outside. So minus into minus plus and 1 minus x by 2 is equal to whatever is on the RHS as it is. All right. Okay. So now what's the LCM of all the terms in the denominator? LCM of 2 and 4. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. 4. Now multiply every term with 4. So it will be 4 into 3 into 7x minus 1 by 4. Correct? 4 into 3 into 7x minus 1 by 4. So 4 and 4 cancels. Minus 4 into 2x. Correct? Plus 4 into 1 minus x by 2 is equal to 4 into x plus 4 into 3 by 2. See, we've multiplied every term by 4. Can you see 3 by 2? 4 into 3 by 2. Can you see x? 4 into x. 1 minus x by 2? 4 into 1 minus x by 2. 2x, this minus is here, 4 into 2x. Multiply every term with 4, the LCM, 4. Now here, 2 ones are, 2 twos are. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. Now, we'll have to open the bracket here. 3 into 7x is 21x. 3 into 7x is 21x. And then 3 into 1, 3. Plus into minus, minus. What's the sign that 3 carries before it? Plus. So plus into minus is minus, 3 1 the 3. Minus 8x. So here it is. This is nothing but, this one is nothing but plus 2 into 1 minus x. You understand that? It's 2 into 1 minus x is equal to 4 into x is 4x. Four into x is 4x. Then plus 2 3s are 6. Correct? Okay. So now 21x minus 8x. 21x minus 8x. 13x. 13x. Now this minus 3 and plus 2 you cannot simplify because it's plus 2 into this bracket. Plus 2 is not free. It's plus 2 into this bracket. See here. 2 into 1 minus x it is. So 2 into 1 minus x, that you should do first. You cannot perform plus 2 and minus 3. Plus 2 is not free. It is to be multiplied with 1 minus x. It's already, like attached to this expression 1 minus x. See, it's 2 into 1 minus x. You cannot take it away from that and do it with minus 3. So 21x minus 8x is 13x. Minus 3 you'll have to write as it is. Now when you multiply, plus 2 into 1, plus 2. Then plus 2 into minus x. Minus 2x is equal to 4x plus 6. Now again the LHS can be simplified, no? Can you see? 13 minus 2x. LHS can be simplified further. 13x minus 2x. 11x. And on the LHS minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 is equal to RHS nothing. Write it as it is. Now transpose. 11x minus 4x is equal to 6 plus 1. So 7x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7 by 7, which is all right. Yeah, write down.
Completed, ma'am.
Is writing?
Completed, ma'am.
Okay. Huh? 6, yeah. Oh, okay. Now,
Yes.
all right. Yeah. So 9x plus 7 by 2 as it is. Open the bracket. Tell me what? Minus x
Plus
by 7 equals
36.
36. Now the LCM of 2 and 7 is 14. Next step, 14 into 9x plus 7 by 2 minus 14 into x plus 14 into x minus 2 by 7 is equal to 14 into 36. All right? Yeah. Now 2 ones are 7 times. Here, no denominators. You cannot cancel. So 7 ones are 2. So here also. So now this is 7, open bracket, 9x plus 7. See, 7 into 9x plus 7 should be written like this. 7 into 9x plus 7 should be written like this. Minus 14 into x is 14x. Plus 2 into x minus 2 is to be written like this. Is equal to 14 into 36. So 36 into 14. 24 2 carried over, 12, 14, 36, 40, 1. So 504. You also check the multiplication later. 504. Okay. Now, yeah, what next? Yeah, let me ask her first. Yes. Seven nines are, is it? Good. Yeah. 63 x. Then 7. Next. Yeah. Plus 49 minus 14x plus 2x is equal to 504. Next. Next. Look at the x term, 63x minus 14x plus 2x. What is minus 14x plus 2x? Minus 12x minus 14x plus 2x. Different signs. Minus 14 plus 2. Different signs. Subtract. And put the sign of the greater number. X. Yeah, because x no minus 14x plus 2x. No. There's another x term, right? 63x. When you simplify minus 14x and plus 2x, you get minus 12x. Now minus 12x has to be worked with 63x. 63x minus 12x. No, you're not multiplying the signs. Here it's all multiplication. Different signs or same signs? So you should subtract. When you subtract, what do you get? 51. And put the sign of the greater number. You should not, when you're adding or subtracting, you should not multiply the signs. The rule is different signs. See, when there are brackets like this, it's multiplication. Once the terms are free like this, see, they're all standing freely, no? 63x plus 49 minus 14x. See, you can like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The terms are all standing alone. Here, you'll have to use the laws of addition and subtraction. Same signs, add, put the same sign. Different signs, subtract, put the sign of the greater number. You should not multiply the signs, no. Multiplying signs is only when you're doing with the bracket. Yeah, tell me. No, 63x minus 14x plus 2x. What's the result? What is minus 14x plus 2x? Minus 12x. Now 63x minus 12x. 63 is plus 63. So different signs. Subtract. 51 we get. And put the sign of the greater number. Plus 51x. Plus 51x. So when you simplify all the x terms, you get 51x plus 51x. All right. Then we have plus 49 and minus 4. Plus 49 minus 4. Different signs. Subtract. And put the sign of the greater number. Plus 45 is equal to 504. Next. Okay, Danya. Continue.
Come on,
Danya.
it's a 51x is equal to 504 minus 45.
Okay.
51x is equal to
459.
459.
59.
Who's that? Danya or Deepthi?
Ma'am, Deepthi.
Okay. 459. Next, x is equal to?
459 divided by 51.
Yeah. What's the answer? How many times?
Mom, 9.
9 times. Deepti's voice sounds very different. Deepti, is it you or your friend?
No, Mom, it's me.
No, you're tranking? Today is
No,
not
no,
85.
no, it's actually me.
Okay. 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 Thank you. Yeah, x is equal to 9. All right. Yeah, take down, children. Okay, next one. So this one, Deepti will tell us 2x minus 1 by 3 minus 6x minus 2 by 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Yeah, Deepti?
Mom, LCM of 5 and 3 is 15.
Okay.
Then we have to multiply every term by 15.
Okay. So 15 into? Dictate, no? I'll just write whatever you dictate.
Yes, Mom. Mom, 15 into 2x minus 1 by 3 minus 15 into 6x minus 2 by 5 equals to 15 into 1 by 3.
Very good. Next. Yeah, next, ma.
Mom, then in the starting, 1. Yeah, Mom, 3 and 15 get cancelled.
Okay, I think there's something happening in the background. So
Yes, Mom.
can I just pass it to somebody else?
Yes, Mom.
Yeah. Yes, Tanya. Continue. Next.
So 5, open bracket, 2x minus 1 minus 3, open bracket, 6x minus 3, close bracket, the same question.
Very good. Next step.
Multiply with 5 into 2x is equal to 10x. 10x 5 into 1 is equal to minus 2. Minus 3. X3 into 6x is equal to minus 6x. And minus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 6 plus 6.
Very good. Next, thank you. Yeah, continue.
Then they wrote plus 4, but plus 6, but I actually wrote minus 6.
Oh.
So can I just
Yeah.
minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 5.
இங்க உங்களுக்கு ஏதோ டவுட் இருக்குன்னா இந்த போர்ஷன்ஸ்ல No, 10x here you'll have to collect the like terms. 10x and minus 18x, they are like terms. You can multiply anything. You can multiply like, see here, 5 into 2x. 5 and 2x are not like terms, but you can multiply them. 5 and 2x, they are not like terms. You can multiply them. But when you're adding or subtract, when you have to add or subtract, you can do that only with like terms. So 10x and 5, you cannot simplify. 10x minus 18x. So 10x is plus 10x minus 18x, different signs. So you should subtract, you will get 8. And put the sign of the greater number, minus 8x. Then minus 5 plus 6. They are like terms, no? Minus 5 plus 6, both are numbers. Different signs, subtract. 1, greater number sign, 6. Okay, is equal to 5. Okay, so when you're multiplying, you can multiply whether the two numbers are like or unlike, you can multiply them. You can multiply anything and anything. They need not necessarily be like terms. Okay, but when you have to, once you open the brackets and the terms are free, you know, the terms are all standing independently. At that, so from there you have to collect the like terms. And the rule is same signs, add, put the same sign. Different signs, subtract, put the sign of the greater number. So that rule you apply in, this step. See, like the terms are all free. There's no bracket. All the terms are standing alone. Standing alone meaning standing independently. 10x minus 5 minus 18x. There's no bracket there. So here you should add or subtract according to the signs, and you can add or subtract only like terms. You cannot simplify 10x and minus 5. X term with an X term, number with a number, Y term with a Y term, like that. But here, in this step, we have to open the bracket. Here it is multiplication. Here we have to open the bracket, no? So it's multiplication. It is 5 into 2x. 5 and 2x are not like terms, but you can multiply them. When you're multiplying, no greater number sign and all that. When you're multiplying, you should multiply the signs, multiply the numbers. And that letter you should put as it is, or now see, when you have 5 into 2x, 5 is plus, and this is also plus. So plus into plus, plus. 5 into 2, 10, and x. Okay? Yeah, so after this?
So minus 8 minus 1. Minus 8x is equal to 4. And so x is equal to 4 by minus 8.
So here minus 8x it is. Now minus 8 and x, what's the sign connecting them? Multiplication. Multiplication. So it will go for division to the other side. It will come to the other side for division as minus 8 itself. Okay. So for 1s, 2s, so x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Correct? Just a second. I didn't take a photo of the. I'm presenting the earlier answer. Don't write from this, children. 1 second. Yeah. Okay. Done? Yeah. So 0.5x. Now, when you look out of the bracket, when you peep outside the bracket, you're looking for a sign. And you can see that sign immediately outside the bracket, you can see the minus sign. So you just have to multiply this minus sign with every term inside the bracket. You should not multiply 0.5x with the terms inside the bracket. When you look outside the bracket, you should go up to the sign till you meet the sign. Okay, so when you look out of the bracket, see here, you find the sign immediately. So multiply all the terms in the bracket with that sign alone. Supposing bracket and outside this, there's some 3 and then a minus here like this. Then what is it? When you look outside the bracket, there's a number, but you want a sign. It's before that number here. So you'll have to multiply -3 with all the terms in the bracket. Yeah, so here it's just a minus sign. So minus into, so minus, plus, minus 0.8. Then minus into minus plus 0.2x is equal to 0.2 minus 0.3x. Now that we've opened the bracket, it's only addition, subtraction. Please continue. No? I just need to take a call, children. I'll just come back. Please continue. Yeah. So what's it? Like terms, 0.5x and 0.5x, 0.2x. It will be 0.7x, right? 0.7x minus 0.8 is equal to, on the RHS, they're not like terms, so you cannot simplify them. They're not like terms. This is a constant, 0. This is a number, while this is 0.3x. It's an x term. So now transpose. So 0.7x minus 0.3x to the left-hand side plus 0.3x is equal to 0.2 minus 0.8 plus 0.2. Correct? Now, when you add 0.7 and 0.3, you get 0.1 can 1.0. Okay, so we get 1.0, which is 1, or which is 1x, or simply x. 1x, or simply x, because 0.7x, 0.3x. So it's 1.0x, 1x, or simply x is equal to 0.2 and 0.8. 0, 1 carry go, 1.0, or just 1. So actually, you can just ignore this. So x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. When it is 1x, don't write 1x. It's x. 1 by is y. Yeah. So x is equal to 1. You went wrong somewhere, is it?
Yes.
Okay. Should I help you? Okay. Tanya and Deepti, any questions? Please ask.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All right. So when you look at the LHS, you cannot do any further simplification. RHS, nothing can be done with 7 by 3, which means you can cross multiply here. You can cross multiply here. So you can write anything first. See, you can write 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 7 into x minus 2. Or you can also write 7 into x minus 2 first is equal to 3 into x plus 2. Anything you can write first. You get me? Anything can be written first. All right. So now 3 into x. 3x, tell me fast. 3x plus 6 is equal to 7x. What 14? Minus 14. Then
Minus 8. Oh, sorry, ma'am. It's minus 15.
Minus on either side gets cancelled. X is equal to 20 by 4. So X is equal to 5. Finished?
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, work this and tell me. Completed? Yeah, sure. Okay. So what's the LCM of the denominators? 3. Okay, so it is 3 into 0.5x plus 3 into x by 3 plus 3 into, is equal to 7. Is equal to 3 into 0.25x plus 3 into 7. Yeah, then what is 3 5 is 15. 3 into 0.5 will be 1.5. 1.5x. 3 and 3 cancels. So plus x is equal to 325 times 3 into 25. 75. 3 into 0.25. 0.75. X plus 21. Now take all the x terms. Now first we'll simplify the left hand side. It's 1.5x plus x. 1.5x and x. X is 1x, 1.0x. 2.5. X means 1x, children. X is 1x. Okay. So it's 1.5x and 1x. 1 means 1.0. 1.0x. So it is 1 plus 1 to 2.5x. Yeah. 2.5x, correct? So 2.5x is equal to, here you cannot simplify because they're unlike terms. Now bring the x term to the left hand side. 2.5x minus 0.75x is equal to 21. Now we have to simplify 2.5x and 0.75x. 0.75. So there's a 0 here. 2.5 is 2.50 and 0.75. You need to place the decimal point. Okay, falling one below the other like this. Okay, so x. Now this is 2.5 minus 0.75. So different signs, no? So we need to subtract. So this becomes 4 and this becomes 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. And this is 1 and this is 14. 14, so 7.1. And put the sign of the greater number. The greater number is plus 2.5 is greater. So it's 1.75x. The greater number is 2.5. 0.75 is small. 2.5 is big. So the greater number sign plus. So 1.75x is equal to 21. No, more than. So x is equal to 21 divided by 1.75. So how do we get rid of the decimal point? Multiply the numerator and denominator by 100. Correct? Multiply the numerator and denominator by 100. So what happens? X is equal to 2100 divided by 175. 1.75 into 100.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes.
No, x equals to 12.
12, huh? Okay. We understand how to shift the decimal point. 21 into 100 is 2100. 1.75 into 100 is 175. Okay. So now Deepti is given the answer 12. So you please simplify. You must get 12. Okay. So these were questions from R.S. Agarwal. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. Online children can leave the call.
Thank you, ma'am.
children.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. See you.